In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill layers in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must have a document open, and then what you're going to have to do is click on Pixel up top, click on New Fill Layer, and this is going to give you a new fill layer over here on the right-hand side. Now, you can click on it to select it, and then you could go ahead and basically fill it with a solid color by just clicking over here and kind of sliding this around, and you can choose your preferred color. Of course, you also could do some gradients and stuff like that, and the way you can do this is you can go to the left here. This tool should already be selected. It's called the fill tool, can be activated by the G button on your keyboard. Click on that, and then up here you can select your type. So it could be none, it could be solid, it could be linear, elliptical, it could be whatever there is over here on the left hand side. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different things you could do, and you could also click on this button up here and you could change its colors. So like, let's go to the greener side here. You could kind of play around with this. You could go ahead and draw this line. So let me actually select this layer. There we go. You could play around with this line over here and actually make yourself a nice little gradient. Okay, so that's pretty much how you can do this. So it's very good. As you can already see, it's quite snappy. You could do it like anywhere on your screen over here. You could create amazing gradients. Just play around with this, explore it a bit, and you'll be able to see, and I'm sure you'll be fascinated by it. So it's actually gives you a lot of the ability to actually customize it however you want it to be, and then you could of course create whatever you wish. So that's how to kind of use it. That's how to fill layers. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.